Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today I'm unboxing something special from co-creators Atelier. So they do sketchbooks and journals for creatives, and they just have the loveliest collection of journals and stuff. So I was so excited when they sent me one of these. The art is so nice. So firstly, we've got this very nice, oh, that is really cute. Look, it's like a little pouch, but it has like a little tie-in. I think this might be the sketchbook. I really love this little like bag action, and it's branded as well. It's so cute. So this is their creative journal that you can use with dot grid and blank, so you can actually sketch and write at the same time. And I just find it very interesting to have that layout for both dotted and blank. I'm usually a blank kind of girl, but I appreciate that when you have the blank page, you have the dots like very faint on the background, so you still can write straight. So I find this really cool. Or you can, like, you know, do some watercolor here and then do some writing over there as well. So, and the color of this green, oh my god, it's so nice. And look at that, look at that. The artwork is so nice. I think it's by a Japanese artist, if I'm not wrong. But look at the color of this, is amazing. I believe they sent me the plans and journal set, which included this really nice cover. I really love this little buckle that they have as well. So this one, oh, included a pen. I also really like how they have these little things for your pen. Like, look, and then you can put it like that, so your pen is tucked in. I find that so cute. And nice that they also have, oh, actually this texture is very interesting. I like this. So anyway, in the plans and journal set, you get a project insert, and this one is a project planner. So it has a year at a glance. This is very, very good for planning. So you get a year at a glance. Paper is really nice as well, and a project plan. It tells you all the action steps, the timeline, and then ideas and inspiration, reflection and thought summary of project learnings and insight. So that's for one project, and then you can add another project. This will be very useful for my little small business to have some of these. I want to know how many projects they have. So that's number one. Number two, 3, 4, 5. I think you get maybe 6. No, 5. 5 projects, and then you get a few more like grid pages and blank pages at the back. Look how nice. I'm very impressed with the aesthetic of this. It looks so nice. This one is a journal one, so it's just, oh, I thought it was just gonna be aligned pages, but it actually has the index and it has these lists. I'm wondering what I can use it for, because I thought it was just going to be line pages, but now that I have this feels like a little bit more for like lists and things like that, like a to-do almost. So it would be interesting. Or you can use it to commonplace as well. I find it very interesting that the left and the right are different. So it's like this one is dotted and then this one has like line, but they're like tables kind of thing. So would be interesting to see what I use that for. I'm also going to do this for you to appreciate the really lovely artwork of these pages. I really, really love these covers. Look at these. Wow. And the color is just so calming. You see, this is a monthly planner. So what's in this is a month at a glance and a week. Oh, and then it has the pages for every day. This would be really good if I'm planning for something really big. Maybe I'll use one of these for one of this month, because I feel like there's going to be a lot, even though we're already like halfway through the month. So there's 2 plans. Yeah, there's 2 plans. So this one and this one, it's probably the same one, same insides, but let's just open it for the cover. Look how nice the cover is. I'm obsessed with this, and the texture is really nice as well. They're also Australia based, so I'm always really proud to, you know, show you some Australia based stationery brands. This one is note pages, and it just has all the line pages throughout. And then when you go, I want to show you the artwork as well. Or even though it's like empty at the back, but look at this. This is one of my favorite, I think, because you know I love beige, but I also love this flower kind of artwork. And then this is for sketches, so it's just empty. So I wonder what paper they use for this one. I don't wanna, but I feel like they're thick enough. Oh, this one's a little bit softer. Okay, so the sketchbook and these pages are a little bit different. I don't want to test it with a fountain pen, and since this one's a little bit like wonky anyway, maybe I'll test it on here. So it's pretty thick, and for fountain pen, I think it takes fountain pen pretty well. And I like how these pages are not like stark white. I don't know if it shows on the camera at all, but it's not white. It's kind of like cream, which I love. Let me compare it to like a white paper. This is white paper. As you can tell, they're like not stark white, which I appreciate because I really love cream paper, and the texture is really nice. Okay, let's test this one as well. And that's cute to add a little, what do you call it? A little QR code at the back. Let's do some fountain pen tests. This is the Twispy Eco Rose Gold with diamine. I also want to test the pen that they included. Oh, this is like a, actually this fine liner pen is pretty good. Like, I'm pretty glad that they're included in, but that's what it is, and that's pretty good. I mean, it's a tiny bit ghosting, but you can't really tell. Like, as long as it doesn't bleed into the next page, I'm pretty happy with it, and it's just so beautiful. So notes pages, plans pages. I am most excited about plans and the journal one. Oh no, not journal one, the project one. Because this one, oh, so can you fit 6 projects on this one? It has, maybe I'll use it for 2026. Because I really like this year at a glance. It's nice to be able to see everything in one go and just jot down things. And then for project plan, there's 5 of them, and to have them all in one space is so great. I still have to figure out what I'm gonna use this one for, because I really like this layout, but I can't think of anything to use it yet. Maybe for to-do list, for specific project kind of to-do list. And I want to try fit some of these in. So with these, I think you can probably fit 2 pages, right? Oh, actually, it's much smaller than the cover. That's very nice. I like that it's way smaller, because then, you know, it stays in the inside quite a bit, which is nice. So I'm gonna add that one, and maybe the journal one or the plans one. Hang on, which one is this? Is this projects? Yeah, maybe add with the plans one. Ooh, that's meant to be used like this. I think it's a little bit tight. To be honest, I think you're only meant to use one of them, and then you can probably use the another one. Like, you know, when you use Travel's notebook, you have one of those elastic that you can put together to put it in. But also, you know what, maybe what I'll do is I'll put the big book in. So I'll put this one in instead, because this is a little bit bigger. And I think that would feel a little bit much better, because it's just one book for the cover. Oh, should probably remove that first. There you go. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Let me get this one out. But look at that. And it fits like that. I love how the form is like a folio like this. It just looks so nice. But anyway, that's what I got sent from co-creator. I really love some of these, the insides of these planners and inserts, because it looks so much different from the ones that I see outside. Love that this project plan one especially have like a proper overview and materials and budgets and action steps. It will be very, very great to use for projects and stuff. And you already know how much I like the journal one as well, like this one. That is like, I barely see this kind of layout actually, and I'm so interested in this one as well. Oh, but the thing is, with the only thing about this one, this date wouldn't be the date of the month, right? Because the thing is, like, you get a week here, Monday to Sunday, but then once you get into the week, it might not be the 8th anymore, because it doesn't always start on the 1st. So the 1, 2, 3, the number here, it's meant to just be the number of the, I don't know. I think the only thing that's a little bit confusing to me is the fact that you get the week, right? But then when you get to one, like the 7, and then you get the next week. But then the thing is, it's not always 7 and then that's it. Like the next week, do you get what I mean? Like the month doesn't always start on a Monday. So I think the number, you kind of only use it to know that's the thing that like makes me a little bit confused, because if you use this as the date, right, this one doesn't really make sense anymore, because say the first of the month starts on a Wednesday, that means it's like Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then this is Sunday, and Sunday is meant to be a new week, but the week itself doesn't come until another 3 pages. So that's the only thing that I am a little bit confused about. So that would be interesting to use, but I'm also very keen to try this one and see what I can create with this one. And yeah, and I'm so excited to use this because the paper feels amazing. And I know that it's because we tested it, we know it's fountain pen friendly as well, even though I'll probably try to use this for maybe watercolor or like, you know, an acrylic pen or something like that. I'm very excited. That's all for this video. Leticia also gave me some code for my followers, so if you're interested in trying this, there's a 10% off site-wide coupon for marcsmellow. I'll include it in the description down below. But if you're interested in trying any of these lovely inserts and planners, there's a 10% discount down in the description if you're interested, and I hope that makes it a little bit easier for you to try if you're interested. I actually like this so much. I don't know why, but the fact that it has the little tie, I don't know, I just like it so much. It'll just be nice to carry your sketchbook here with like some of your pens and stuff. Like, I just really love pouches. Okay, anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy some of the inserts of this, and like I said, if you're interested, there's a discount code down below, so you can use that if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, take care, and stay creative. And I'll see you next week for another video. Stay safe until then. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.